Hello, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kavu Creative. Today, we can learn how to create a logo. I suggest watching my previous video tutorials. A link is given into the description. Let's start. Double-click on Artboard tool in Tool menu. In the Display option, tick on Show Center Mark. Make fill off. Select the rectangle tool from Tool menu. Left-click on the artboard. Right, width and height equals 100 pixels. Press OK button. Align its center. Select the ellipse tool from Tool menu. Holding the Alt key and left-click on the top left corner of the square. Right, width and height equals 200 pixels. Press OK button. Holding the Shift plus Alt key and dragging it to the top right corner of the square. Select both circles. Holding the Shift plus Alt key and dragging it to the bottom corners of square. Now, select all and select the Shape Builder tool from Tool menu. Holding the Alt key and remove unwanted parts. Now, merge the shape. When we merge the shape, pointer indicated the plus symbol. Now, increase the stroke size. One by one change its color from color swatches. Select all and goes to Object menu and select Expand and click on the OK button. Select the Shape Builder tool from Tool menu. Holding the Alt key and remove the black border. When we remove the shape, the pointer indicated the minus symbol. Now, it looks beautiful. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, write in the comments section. I will surely reply to it. If you liked the video, click on like. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks again.